Young Jamaican men, here's a part of our culture that a lot of you these days may only hear about. I grew up in the era of good old Duppy Stories. Stories that let you not want to let the night to catch you on the road. Now in those days when someone dies, they didn't always go to the dead house as it was called. They were kept at home on large blocks of ice and buried very quickly, often in some stone graves. Until this day, whenever I see a flower on a bank anywhere, my first thought is, it's a grave. The stories were legendary. We were told that the dead person would raise on third day and start show himself or herself. You would hear and see people gather and talking how they saw Miss Jane or Mass Tom Duppy in the same grave clothes they were buried in. Now, if the person was peaceful in life, then they generally didn't show themselves, but oftentimes one such person would really terrorize the community, especially for those who frayed. Then there was the haunted boys who went around and frightened people, who then attributes that to the dead person. It may sound away, not it was serious stuff. People would run breathless, sometimes fainting or foaming at the mouth. This only made the Duppy stories more believable. There is also a popular song the renowned comedian Oliver Samuels did called Duppy Stop Walk a Night. The stories are many. You will learn about some of them on this channel. What kind of Duppy stories were you told when you were a child? Let me know in the comments. Again, thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe to help our channel and community to grow.